Hey guys, it's Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the Renegade Series sequential LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses, fitting your 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL without the factory LEDs. These are perfect for the Jeep owner who wants to upgrade their taillights to an LED and wants one with black styling and a sequential turn signal. These taillights feature LED accent bars with red LED sequential turn signals to give the back of your Jeep a more modern look. They are constructed from durable black housings with smoked lenses and are weather sealed to keep out dust and moisture. These taillights are DOT approved, meaning they're legal for on-road use, and they feature a plug-and-play install. So as far as price goes, these taillights come in at around $375, which is middle of the road price-wise when compared to other options. And for your money, you are getting an LED taillight with black styling and sequential turn signal. And as far as the install goes, I'm giving this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct bolt-up and plug-and-play install, as I mentioned before, that can be done within 1 hour. So with that said, let's check out the install. For this install, you will need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim panel removal tool. All right, so the first step in our uninstall, we're gonna pop a plastic cover off of the back area of the taillight so we can remove the bolt that holds it on. Grab that trim panel removal tool and you'll see an opening here on this plastic cover. Just go ahead and press it into that opening and pry up. That will release this plastic cover. Then grab a 10mm socket. You'll see a plastic bolt on the inside here. And with your ratchet and socket, go ahead and get that removed. Then once the bolt is removed, just grab that taillight and pull it straight back towards you to release it. Then you'll see the main connector. Then to disconnect this main connector, all you do is press back on the red tab, press down on the black tab, and pop it out. Now we have our new taillight here. What we're gonna do is start by plugging in this main harness. Go ahead and plug that in. Grab the rest of your wiring and route it inside of your Jeep. And it doesn't hurt to throw a zip tie or two on there just to make sure the wiring is secure. Now we're gonna line up 2 plastic tabs and a clip in the center on one side, and make sure the other side is lined up as well, and then press it into place. Now you can go ahead and install the factory bolt into your new taillight. Grab that 10mm socket. Go ahead and tighten it down. Now we want to tighten just until this gets snug, but it is a plastic bolt, so try not to over tighten this. And once that bolt is tight, we can reinstall this plastic cover. Now you'll see the larger tab goes to the back here, right in this opening. Go ahead and line it up and press it into place. All right, now that we have our factory taillight installed from our Jeep, we can check it out side by side with our new taillight here. Now the biggest difference between the two is this is an LED, so it is brighter and will outlast the life of those factory halogen bulbs. It also features a smoked lens to change it up from that red of the factory, especially for those of you going for a more blacked out look. It also features accent LEDs and sequential turn signals as well. So with that said, we're gonna finish up our install by repeating all of those steps on our driver's side. All right, and now that you have the driver's side taillight installed, that's gonna do it for the review and install of these taillights. And remember, for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.